I am deeply sorry we replaced Mugabe with a monster, a Korokoza. It is us who gave you Mnangagwa. We put you in State House with the hope that he would reset our country on a path of recovery, respect the Constitution, and give our people hope. As soon as he had the taste of power, he escalated corruption, forgot the people, and remembered only his family. Mnangagwa has also surrendered state power to his wife and children. Vanhu vakavhoterwa, sure, havarari vachifunga kuti toita sei kuti tiomesere masi, because there are no jobs. People are working as vendors to feed their families. Civil servants are now civil slaves.
Inotongwa, igonamatirwa, nevayo. Ilizwe lakiwa, libuswe, likulekelwe ngabanikazi balo. Hallelujah. In every sector, province by province, let us remain focused, disciplined, and work harder towards the attainment of Vision 2030. No amount of economic chicanery, mudslinging, and discord should be allowed or entertained to derail our irreversible course to modernize, industrialize, and develop our motherland, Zimbabwe. We are marching forward forever, backwards never.